Repair and downtimes are an energy supplier's personal nightmare. Ensuring network reliability means to look at every component. Insulating oil is one of them. Impurities, aging condition, and refining quality are just a few factors which have to be considered. Legal standards need to be met, downtimes avoided, and the safe operation of power transformers guaranteed. But how? Partner up with an expert who enables you to test insulating liquids before the transformer fails. At BAUR, safety has a long tradition, combining over 75 years of experience with the latest developments and legal criteria. Committed to making the testing process easy and accurate since 1945. Our motto: fast, precise, safe. Our devices are not only resource-saving, but also reliable, cost-effective, and today define the industry standard. Let's take a closer look. Always in compliance with the latest developments, leading to our expertise, incorporated into national and international standards. Assessing the insulation capacity. Using breakdown voltage testing determines the aging of the oil on site or in the laboratory, with superior quality you can depend on. Using the dissipation factor method in a fully automatic manner, our devices measure the dissipation factor, the specific resistance, and relative permittivity of the insulating liquid. Experience and reliability lie in our DNA. This makes BAUR the partner for insulating oil testing since 1945 and will remain so in the future. If you would like to know more, please contact us at baur.eu/IFT.